Hello everyone, here is the first video on the video series of cement. In every video, I'll be posting up a question related to the topic. So here is today's question. Why is cement grey in color? The answer to the question will be hidden in the video itself. So please watch the video till end. In this video, we'll be covering the definition of cement, the history of cement, components of cement, and an unknown fact about cement. So basically, what is cement? In easy words, cement is a binding material being manufactured artificially using calcareous and argillaceous materials. So calcareous materials are the compounds of calcium and magnesium. So the example of calcareous materials is limestone, chalk, etc. So when we come to argillaceous materials, these are the compounds of silica, magnesium and oxides of iron. So the example of argillaceous materials turns out to be sand. Okay, fine. Like we see it everywhere that cement is a binding material. But what is the phenomena behind this binding mechanism? So basically, cement is adhesive and cohesive in nature. So adhesion means the force of attraction between unlike or different particles. Like let's consider an example that we are making concrete. We can make concrete when we mix fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, cement, water and add mixtures if required. So here cement has the capability of binding all the coarse aggregate, fine aggregate to each other as it sticks around the surfaces and holds them. So now cohesion means the force of attraction between like particles. This means cement particles itself binding to each other. Now let's talk about the history of cement. The image over here represents Pantheon situated in Rome. The dome of this beautiful structure was made up of concrete. Like it was not known at that time that this is called concrete, but the mixture or paste which they were using turned out to be similar to concrete. Being constructed in 27 BC itself shows that unknowingly when the usage of cement started. Now let's figure out the person who invented the Portland cement which we are using currently. A brick mason named Joseph Aspdin was the one who invented cement. On 21st October 1824, he obtained the patent for cement. Now, let's understand why the cement got the name as Portland cement. The color of the final product which he obtained resembled the color of Portland stone quarried at Isle of Portland, which is in England. So, since that resembled, it got the name as Portland cement. When it comes to components of cement, lime and silica are in majority proportion when compared to the others. So here we can see in the table that lime turns out to be 62 to 67%, silica is 17 to 25%, alumina is 3 to 8%, calcium sulfate is 3 to 4%, iron oxide is 3 to 4%, magnesia is 1 to 3%, sulfates are 1 to 3% and alkalis are 0.2 to 1%. So I would brief up their functions now and will explain it in detail in the coming videos. So lime and silica are for strength, alumina is for quick setting time of cement, CaSO4 which is commonly called as gypsum, that is CaSO4.2H2O, is for initial setting time, like it increases the initial setting time of cement. We will be learning about it in the coming videos. Iron oxide and magnesia imparts color. So here is the answer. So due to the presence of iron oxide, cement is grey in color. So sulfur is to avoid volume change. Like in technical words, it means soundness. Soundness is nothing but like when cement turns out into a paste, it is the resistance of cement to avoid volume change. And that's it. And about alkalis we'll be learning in the upcoming videos. And at last, let's have a view on an unknown fact on cement. Production of cement is responsible for around 7% of air pollution. The number seems to be small, but when we compare it, it is more than that what comes from all trucks in the world. So just imagine, guys. That's it in this video. Stay tuned with us. Bye. Take care.